What's up, everyone? Welcome to Shooting the Shave. It's good to be here doing another shave, and I'm going to do a quick shave today. So, brush I'm going to use today is the Yaqi Butterscotch handle brush here. Razor today is going to be the Dovo Classic. Excuse me. Soap I'm going to use today is Oleo Soapworks Excursion. And this is just a sample puck. So, I'm going to go ahead and just get started up here. I'm going to go ahead and build the ladder. So, hope you guys are all doing well today. Hope you guys are all having good shaves and enjoying your weekend. It is Sunday here, and God knows when I'll have this video posted. So, as I told you in one of my previous videos, is that this weekend was supposed to be uneventful. It turned out that I had a lot to do anyways. A lot of stuff that I forgot that we had going on. So, that's crazy. Look at the lather from this. This is nuts. Oleo makes great soap. Just a very reliable product. And scent strength on this from a 1 to 10, I'd say is mid-range, around the 5. Scent notes in it they're over here. I got them written down: cardamom, bergamot, lavender, cedarwood, amber, coumarin, vetiver. So, locked and loaded. Let me go ahead and get this excess cream on my face here. And I'm gonna lather up. So the weather's been kind of crappy here all week. Or all weekend. It's been raining. It's been kind of cool. We had some of the stuff we had to do was grocery shop, and we were out of like almost everything. So that's what we had to do today. So we had to make a trip, and then because of the weather, everybody was at the store. So we had to wait in line, which isn't a big deal, but it does suck. And when you got a 3-year-old who's very impatient and doesn't like shopping to begin with, that makes it a lot more fun. Need a little more water in this soap. That'll do. Go ahead and dry the hands off here real quick. I'm just going to go ahead and get right into it. Nice. So, I got one more razor that's going to be making its debut shortly, and that is the Gold Dollar 208. I'm just waiting it to come back in the mail. I sent it out to, I sent it out to Anthony Esposito to get honed. And I'm really looking forward to getting it back. Cannot wait to test it out and see how it shaves. This is the only straight I have right now, and I have nothing to compare it to, so. Really looking forward to that. All right, see how it feels. Not a bad first pass. If you guys haven't smelled Oleo Excursion yet, you should check it out. The scent on this is awesome. It's probably one of my favorite scents that they have now. My favorite before I shaved with it or used this was the Windy City Barbershop. I'm thinking that this one is going to be my new favorite. New favorite scent, that is. And I think I might like it slightly better than the Windy City. A little water in there. Just a little bit. Yeah, so since the weather has been kind of foul, not a whole lot we can do to get out of the house. We did take the kids over to the YMCA. Took them swimming indoors. And that was fun. My son's all excited because he just passed his swim test. So now he can go down the water slides without wearing a life jacket. With that against the grain pass, it feels slightly uncomfortable. It feels like it's pulling just a little bit. But it's not too bad. Okay, that should do it for second pass. Let me rinse up real quick. I think I said so before, but really nice residual slickness on this soap. Oleo is just really, really nice stuff. This is a soap or a soap maker that I really enjoy using their products. First time I used it, it blew me away. Like I said, the Windy City Barbershop, the scent was just awesome. and the performance of the soap was just awesome. I don't know if I loaded my brush enough. I'm kind of running low on suds here. I get a little bit to the top here. There we go. All right, we'll go with that. Clean up, third and final pass. Beautiful. So usually I have trouble cleaning this spot up, but I think with that little side swipe technique, I'm getting the hang of getting that area. A little bit right there to pick up. See if I can just get that little spot there. My hair on this side grows this way, and on this side it grows this way. So all right. Not a bad quick shave. No cuts. No weepers. Very nice shave. For post shave, I'm going to go with Cella Aftershave. And drop the cap. Alright. Very nice scent on this. I've said in previous videos that I think that this kind of smells similar to Tommy Hilfiger. A lot lighter of a scent, but it has that citrusy, spicy scent that Tommy Hilfiger has. Very nice scent. I'm gonna put a little balm on. I'm gonna go with the Morgan's Post Shave Balm here. I'm just gonna put a slight dab onto my skin. Alright, so let's see how much time. 15 minutes, not bad. quick enough. Guys, I'm not going to do a, well, I'll do a real quick recap here. Morgan's Post-Shave Balm, Cella Aftershave Splash, razor was Dovo Classic here in the blonde scales, soap was Oleo Excursion, and the brush was the Yaqi Butterscotch handled brush here. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Wishing everybody a great week ahead and good shaves. Stay healthy. See you for the next video. Take care.